our meal!
Today we are going to make Thai rice noodle with chicken. I'm going to start with the ingredients here. Green onions, we have cilantro, 1 mushroom, 1 cup carrot sliced. We have snap peas, coconut milk, curry sauce. Then we have chicken and our Thai rice noodle, sesame seeds, black pepper, salt and olive oil.
Enough water to be enough to cover the rice noodles. So I'm not gonna add in now. And you see it here. The water is just enough to cover the noodles. I'm gonna soak them in a little bit here now. And we put them on medium heat. So we're gonna let this soak in for a while and then check back on it in about 10 minutes.
Put olive oil in it, 2 tablespoons. Now add is the mushrooms. The second ingredient are carrots, 1 cup carrots. Then we're going to add some peas. So I'm going to take some black pepper and I'm going to put it on the veggies. It's as per your taste. If you like more, you can add more quantity. Else, that is fine too. So you know it.
Yeah.
Mohammed is standing here quietly. So then we go with the salt. I'm not very generous with the salt, but this one is. So if it was up to him, I think the whole dish would be cooked just in salt. Now I'm gonna add some red curry sauce. We have the coconut milk too. Thing I'm gonna add is chicken.
During the last minute of cooking, we're gonna add in these chopped green onions, and then that'll be it. We'll drain the noodles, and then we'll take it from there.
So we have our noodles here with the green onions. There we go. Let's add some of them, all of them actually. So now I'm gonna add some cilantro. Mohammed wants it, so I'm gonna add more. I think he really likes sesame seeds on it, so we are sprinkling more. You see it?
Hi, Shawela.
So, are you excited to try this one?
I sure am.
Okay, let's go.
Let's see. So I'm take my first bite. And I'm take a piece of the chicken. It's very hot. Really good. I love it. It was delicious. It has a lot of healthy ingredients. It tastes very authentic. And yeah, it's very easy to make and I love it.
So that means it's thumbs up. So all you have to do is subscribe to our channel.